You have reached Trevor's ASMR channel. Today, we have Rice Krispies. Now, absolutely a little more exciting than Rice Krispies we're doing today. We are painting the BMW. So it's about 10 o'clock, heading to the shop in a minute. And we'll be starting the process of, we gotta put a little Bondo, a little sanding, gotta tape it off. But we'll be painting the BMW today. I know Rice Krispies are exciting, but paint. Crackle and pop, boys! We're heading to the shop now. That was the neighbor.
How do you do, neighbor?
This is also a cool DeLorean I saw on the way to the shop, so we have made it to the shop. This is the current state of the car. We did a little bit of, we threw a little bit there, Bondo there, in the hood. I don't know if we put it in the door. Just last night, put a little bit there, and we started taping up the windows, but I had sanded most of it last week and did a little bit this week. So it's pretty much sanded. We got to hit a couple spots still and obviously do the Bondo work, but then it's ready for paint. Now Cosmic is here. Next thing we gotta do, we gotta mount this wing onto here before anything else. So I think we're just gonna rivet it with some washers on the back and call it good. As you can see, we have the wing on the trunk lid, solid like, with the backers on and everything. Now I'm starting to tape up the windows, and Cosmic is still doing the Bondo work because fuck that shit. I don't want to do it. So we got the car pretty much taped off. Got most of the body work done. Cosmic did that. It's good enough for a race car, but yeah, we just got to put in the paint booth now. So all right, so it's in the paint booth. And yeah, we got to prime it, sand it, paint it. Just taking a step outside, just finished, because it smells so horrible in there, but just finished putting the primer down in the car. You can tell over there. I'll put some shots in here, but yeah, that's where we're at. Now we gotta wet sand it, and fucking paint it. Put paint down, which is pretty much the same thing, Nardo gray. So what? Yeah, talking to myself. Just finished wet sanding the old Bad Larry, kinda good enough, race car enough, but now we pretty much just gotta paint it, right? Back in the paint booth. Yeah, we gotta roll it back in the paint booth. Okay, we're in the paint booth now, so, but yeah, time for paint. Taking a quick break outside because I need some air, but we finished up the base coat for everything, so everything's base coated. So now we just got to go and clear it, but we just got to let it cure for like 30 minutes or so. We got 15 minutes left, but and my freaking phone fell during that time lapse, so there's a little bit, but yep, now we're about to start the clear coat. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet because I'm gonna die from all this, I don't know. But we finished with the clear on the car. It's shining. Obviously, it's still wet, but came out pretty damn good. But the only thing is, got some drips in some places, but it's a drift car. It's going to get beat up, so it is what it is. I could wet sand them out, but ain't nobody got time for that. Now for some beauty shots. It's an iPhone, if you can call it that. It is what it is. It is Sunday morning now, and we have the BMW untaped completely. Still got to put headlights and all that junk in it, but whew, looking pretty good. We definitely got some dirt in it, but we'll just ignore that. Some runs there, but in the back. But we're gonna ignore that. Looking damn good. I'm gonna start putting all the junk back on it. I do have to still paint the mirrors. They're right there, but those are just gonna be black. But this is what she's looking like. All right, we skipped. Skipped.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
We skipped a couple hours ahead, as you can tell. Actually, not really from this angle. But if we go and look at the back, I got a lot. The back's pretty much done. Boom, plate on there because she's legal. But finally, I put all these in for legit. I put an exhaust hanger on the thing, and I did some stuff I got to tie up back here, but all that's back on. All the trim, bumpers mounted for good, which I mean, good until it hits a wall. But yeah, she's pretty much buttoned up. I need to do the trim on the sides here, and I need to get the headlights in it. But as you can tell, these headlights are super like dingy and gross. So I don't want to put them on the freshly painted car and have them look gross. So I'm gonna clean them up and just take them home and do that. So and off the car because it's just easier. But that's pretty much what we got going on here. I mean, boom, America. So yeah, she's painted. That's probably gonna be it for this video. I might do some shots outside. I haven't seen it outside yet, actually, only in these fucking lights. But yeah, that's it. So see you in the next video.